through. And then bring her back up. And now you're kind of buggered. What do you think you need to do? The object of this game is to get this loop into this hook.
Oh, pull this down.
Hey! You can keep pushing that down and you can pull this up at the same time and you'll know.
You'll know.
You want to get it inside that hook there. There you go. Take it up, James. When you're doing this, watch everything and make sure you're not bending nothing or breaking the light or anything.
It's in the middle.
Yeah, it's close enough. It'll be okay, I think. Just snug it up like that, just like that, and you can pull this over to the middle where you want it. There you go. Uncle Greg's doing the inspection, so ask him how high he wants it.
Yeah, I like it up
Or a
there.
little higher.
That's pretty good.
You got my question?
I gave it to Grandma Mary.
It's over there.
Can't see that, you know, that's just. The right side? This looks okay.
Yeah, here, you can see on here, that's where the brake pad ends, see where the edge of my nail
Right
is?
there, yeah.
Yeah. And that one, it looks good.
And then, if you do get it on sometimes, it's never coming back off. Ever.
Make sure what I like to do is.
Make
take
sure it's
the
going the
wrench
right way
like this
first.
And spin it just slow, because the farther you push it, the faster it goes.
Yeah.
Right? Squeeze it just a little bit and make sure it's going to the right.
Okay.
A little bit, just squeeze it gentle.
Okay.
No, just check it though. No, just, see what I'm doing here?
Yeah.
I'm feathering it, just
Okay.
so you can actually tell, because when you pull it fast, you can't really tell what direction it's turning, can you?
No.
Okay. Good. Okay, now let's start at the top. Yeah, it doesn't matter which way you go. No, go.
Oh.
So when you do this tighten check, now you go all the way around.
All the way around. Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Good.
Now, at this point, you just want to make sure they're going on easy. Yeah, that's right. Now take another one.
Somebody got a
That's
party
good. You
going
don't
on
have
in
to
their
go through
pants.
the- Let the wrench do all the work. You just want to make sure it's started.
Yeah, put on it, give it 3-4 turns.
That one's good. I guess the stud's a little bit. They're going to be kind of self-locking, I suppose.
Look at those kids up
Yeah, when they get stiff like that, that's what's called cross-threading.
Okay.